So today I'm off to the Lounge Medical Spa to get an IPL laser done. It's going to help to resurface the skin and get rid of the dark pigmentation that I have on my cheek area. I'm starting to get these little red dots. The IPL is going to help get rid of that and just overall smooth out the skin and help it make it look a little more youthful. So it is day 2 after getting my IPL treatment, and this is what my skin looks like. So IPL stands for Intense Pulse Laser. So the purpose of getting an IPL laser is to help fix broken capillaries or broken blood vessels. So when the light hits a broken capillary, it actually closes it off, reducing the appearance of redness under the skin. So for me, that is great because I have rosacea on my cheek area and all around my nose area. I was also starting to get a few spots on my forehead. My skin tone doesn't have these red blotches anymore, and I don't have any of those broken capillaries now on my forehead, around my nose area, and my cheeks have 10 times less the red pigment than they normally do. The IPL is also really good for treating sun damage or melasma. So I do have a melasma spot right here on the upper part of my cheek. And when I was getting the IPL laser done, she actually hit it twice and it's going to destroy that pigment. The pigment will get darker and then it will slough off like dead skin. And it'll sort of look like coffee grounds, I guess. It's nothing really bad that I'm going to need makeup to cover it up. Another benefit of getting the laser, my skin is unbelievably smooth. Like I've had an exfoliating treatment, even though I haven't. It's a really nice sort of perk or benefit to getting this treatment done, that your skin will just come out super smooth, super soft. The laser treatment isn't painful, but it's also not painless. It feels like a rubber band is being flicked onto your face. Unlike other laser treatments that leave your skin looking red after, this IPL treatment actually makes your skin look white after. You could get this done over your lunch hour and go back to work and nobody would notice that you had anything done. So the medical lounge did send me home with some aftercare instructions and some products to put on my face. The 1% hydrocortisone cream, apply that first thing in the morning to my face. Then they sent me home with this barrier jelly that is super soothing on the skin. I put that on after. My skin will be more sensitive to sunlight. Over the next 3 weeks, I have to wear sunscreen every day. If you're getting any sort of laser treatment, your skin will be more susceptible to sun damage. I would recommend using a sunscreen of SPF 30 or greater. Today I use the Elta MD. This is SPF 46. Or I do have an SPF 50. This is from Australian Gold. This is more of a matte sunscreen. This is part of my daily routine as well. So my skin will probably get a little bit drier as areas of my skin are going to start to slough off over the next 3 to 7 days. But it's really not going to be that intense. This is what I like about this type of laser. It has quite a bit of benefits for the skin with practically no downtime. And because it's a laser treatment that does penetrate the skin, my body is going to start to produce collagen to help repair the areas. Collagen is what makes our skin look plump, makes it look youthful, fills in the fine lines and wrinkles. So over the next few days, I'm just going to make sure that I keep my skin hydrated and I apply daily sunscreen. So these are all really good benefits of using an IPL laser.